But since you guys both are here with us as attorneys, wanted to get your reaction to the news of one of the most famous court cases we've seen in recent American history, the O.J. Simpson trial, especially as we consider the news of today, in which O.J. Simpson has passed away from cancer at the age of 76. We were speaking with Alan Dershowitz a little earlier in the broadcast, but Randy, I just wanted to get your thoughts. What runs through your mind as you hear today's news?
Well, certainly it's that case will forever be a primer on what not to do in a courtroom if you are a prosecutor. I could tell you where I was when the verdict came in. I could tell you where I was when the split screen showing white people, their reaction, African-American people, their reaction. Certainly, we all learned about you don't ask a question you don't know the answer to. You don't put a glove on that doesn't fit. So O.J. Simpson will be remembered, unfortunately, for all of the wrong things.
Dwane Cates, in your thoughts, too, in terms of the legal process and really how this played out again in the mid-90s. I mean, everyone watched this case. Everyone, as Randy even said, they knew where they were, even watching the white Bronco, right, famously going down the interstate in that moment. Free the Juice signs. People gathered outside the courtroom. Judge Alito there. You remember Robert Shapiro, Johnny Cochran, Robert Kardashian, and others. Again, the legal dream team. What is it that many, maybe attorneys, maybe judges have learned from this case, and what will be remembered from this trial?
Well, I was in law school when this, and I was glued to my TV all the way. And one thing I learned is if you have a really complex case and you have great experts, is you jam the state to trial. They didn't have any continuances. They asserted their speedy trial rights, and the prosecutor's office was way behind the curve. You know, they had a DNA expert. DNA was brand new. They didn't know what to do with it. You know, I've actually in a trial got to use the line in closing argument, if the glove doesn't fit, you must acquit. And that's one of my favorite trials that I've done.
Wow. All right. Still having an impact today as attorneys consider what happened in that case and ultimately how it resulted. Gentlemen, thanks for coming on, weighing in on this breaking news. Randy Zellin and Dwane Cates, appreciate your time. We'll have you back on very soon. All right, still to come, an incredible